It's all about the beach, Cocoa Beach, surfing Santa. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, ladies. Wonderful. We got everybody grooving. Surfing the sand here. What a great way to spend the day. Would anybody want to be somewhere else? Aren't you glad you're not up north? This is why we live here. As locals, we are here for this kind of weather, these kinds of waves, and it's all about smiles. Miles and miles of smiles. We still got Hawaiian dancers to come. We're going to have the helicopter. Check outside there, the yellow helicopter. Somebody's going to jump right out of that thing. Every year we have a tradition of somebody Santa Claus and jump out of the helicopter. And surf is absolutely bombing, as we say, which means it's good. The conditions are excellent. The size of swell, look at this right over here. We call that a set of waves. And you see 3 or 4 waves lined up. The tide is getting higher. Lots of fun. So it's time for everybody that wants to go surfing, that wants to be in Surfing Santas. If you've been waiting, this is paddle out for Surfing Santas, 10 o'clock. They're getting ready. It was Doug Flutie jumped out of it one year. I don't know if he's out there again. There it is. Time to jump. Let them hear it, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody else, jump, jump. There they go. All right. We have the Surfing Santa jumping. Jumping Santa.